Elevation, New Wealth Nation. Yeah, welcome to this ChatGPT open and honest review, man. We're gonna be going over the pros, the cons, the extensions, the craziness, all the latest in this crazy, just simple, broken down review. And yes, this video will be for beginners. For people that don't know what the hell ChatGPT is, I know. You're probably watching this and like, bro, everybody knows what it is. But in fact, there's a lot of people that don't. And even for you advanced people that, think y'all know what y'all doing, I'm gonna, put y'all on y'all, behinds, and show y'all how y'all can really use ChatGPT to get ahead and really just become more efficient in almost every area of your life. But this is gonna be, I guess, episode 1 of my AI reviews that I'm gonna do on this channel. I'm gonna be reviewing different types of AIs, different type of platforms, because there's something new that's coming out with AI every day. Like, AI is taking over. Like, you guys thought ChatGPT was something? Nah, every day literally there's been stuff that's been coming out and coming out and coming out. So I just want to take the time here to make this video and show all the new people and beginners, just the basics, the pros and cons of ChatGPT, right? So what the hell is ChatGPT? I know a lot of people is watching this and like, what the hell is ChatGPT, right? So before you think about Google, because I know a lot of people try to compare it to Google, I would compare it to, let's say, an Alexa, but just that can do anything and get you almost anything you need, give you a step-by-step plan, like all that. So we go do some examples here. So let's just say we want to learn how to invest, right? And I know we knew AI and wealth, so we got to stick with the brand. How to invest for beginners. So we're going to put in how to invest for beginners. And for my beginners, like I said, you want to go to chatopenai.com, right? chatopenai.com. Misspelled that. So we're going to type in how to invest for beginners. And I just want to show you guys a beginner example of just what is going to pop out. So we got that popping out. We got that coming out right now. And it's giving us a whole thing on how to invest for beginners. Look at this. Look at this. And this isn't even the crazy stuff yet. This isn't even the crazy stuff yet, ladies and gentlemen. It's not. It's giving us a whole thing on how to invest for beginners. So 1 through 5. Look at this. Sorry guys, I'm just uploading the queue as I go. Gotta have our jams. But literally, I didn't even ask it. I put in literally the minimum and it's giving me a whole just paragraph, right? Now this is insane. They literally just told you if you want to be a beginner investor, how to invest for beginners, right? So that was just a little basic example of just one of the many things that ChatGPT can do, right? So what if here we go. The powerful thing about ChatGPT is that you can have it follow up on something that you asked it before. So up here, I literally just said how to invest for beginners. Now I will say, create me a table and step by, we're just getting crazy with it, step plan to invest. We finna from $100. And this is just some of the stuff you can ask it to do. Sure, here's a step-by-step plan for investing $100, including the table. So you guys are seeing just the basic stuff you can put into ChatGPT, right? You can ask it, and that's why I said it's like an Alexa on steroids. You can ask it for one thing, and you can literally go back into that one thing that you asked it and redefine it and just literally just go crazy with it, right? So this is literally giving me a step-by-step process on if I wanted to invest my first $100. And right now we got the table that's getting printed below. This is wild. This is insane, yeah! That's crazy. So it literally just gave me a step-by-step road to investing. And now I want to show you guys how crazy you can get with it, right? Now, this is all within the same topic. As you guys can see on the left, you guys can all, once you type in use ChatGPT, it's gonna store and have all your chats on the top left. But this is where we're gonna get crazy, right? Now I'm gonna tell ChatGPT, create me a short story about investing, targeted to kids ages 9 through 12. So now we're gonna ChatGPT is literally creating me a short story based on this, right? Based on all the information that I've typed and sent up here. This is crazy. This is one of the most crazy technologies I think I've ever seen, like thus far. Just the amount of efficiency and like information that it can give you and help you just like move forward is just wild, right? So you see how we just created this short story, right? Now think about if you wanted to explain investing to kids aged 9 to 12. You can literally come through here and it will give you a short story and help you understand. So I want you guys to look at ChatGPT as like your personal assistant as far as anything, right? You can get in here and ask ChatGPT to, hey, somebody said this. You copy the text that whatever it said, and you tell it to reply to this in a nice and funny way. ChatGPT can do that. This is like literally just the basics of what I've shown you guys thus far. And I got a whole masterclass going over ChatGPT and how you can leverage ChatGPT, how you can leverage AI to build you digital assets that can bring you money in over and over. And all you have to do is do the setup one time. And if you guys want to know more about that, make sure you guys are clicking the link in the description or whatnot. But so just going through these first 3 examples, right? You guys obviously see the pros. I know you guys are watching this video and like, oh my God. Ah! I hope y'all watching this video and your mind is just going all crazy like that. But I want to go over the cons, right? Like we, quickly went over the pros. Like I said, full tutorials in the masterclass, link in the description. But we're going to talk about the cons of ChatGPT, right? And I want to say the first con I would have to say is that, yeah, on surface level, a lot of this stuff looks good. But if you were to solely rely on ChatGPT, like for all your information, I'm sorry to say, not everything that ChatGPT shoots out is accurate. All right, so anything you guys are putting into ChatGPT, I highly recommend that you guys fact check it. Do your double checks, your second check, third check, fourth check, whatever. Because some of the stuff that it shoots out, it tends to be not accurate at times. So you guys definitely want to make sure you guys are, don't just rely on this just for your life, all right? Use this combined with other tools and like really learn how to, we were all taught growing up how to cite and like research stuff. So like, just don't take stuff at face value, do your research and, go from there, right? So that's one of the cons with ChatGPT, right? Now we're going to talk about the second con, right? And honestly, this hasn't been happening as recently, but since the whole world knows about ChatGPT, literally, it can be a pain. Like I think the other day, ChatGPT literally was down for like 4 hours or so, right? So it can be a pain to get in here. And obviously, as the time I'm recording this video, they have the upgrade to plus option. And you can see what you get, the difference. Me personally, I'm sticking with the free plan because it's pretty, solid. And I'm gonna give y'all a gem. I usually say these gems for the master classes, but I'm gonna give y'all a gem to, get a workaround this ChatGPT Plus, right? Because the benefits of this ChatGPT Plus is that yes, when this is down for us freebies, for us freeloaders, that's what I'm looking for. ChatGPT Plus is a must because you're able to use it while we're all suffering, right? But I'm gonna show you the workaround around this, right? So what you wanna do is you want to go to openai.com, right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the background of ChatGPT, right? Let me see if I can remember how to get in. But whenever ChatGPT is down, this is what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to go to openai.com, do all the sign in stuff and whatnot. and we're pretty much gonna try to get into the background of ChatGPT. Now, it's not as, as smooth as I would say ChatGPT is, and even this, like, we're trying to load in right here. It's taking us a long time, but pretty much actually we got it right here. Let me see if I can load it up in this next. Oh, it's actually already loaded up. So here, this is the website you guys want to go to, right? And I don't know if it's gonna let me through here because I'm gonna have to refresh and I don't want to get kicked out. But I just want to show you guys the basics, right? So you guys want to go to platform.openai.com, right? And once you get there, it's gonna take you. You want to make sure you go to the playground part of it. I didn't say that, but make sure you guys go to the playground part, and it's gonna land you here, right? So as you guys can see, right, I used this earlier. I told it to create me a Facebook post around Black History Month. Have the post tell a story about Black female entrepreneur that most people aren't aware of, right? And the green is what OpenAI shot back to me, right? So then I told the playground, let's think about this from a historical perspective and compare it in times of the 21st century. And then it shot out the green, right? And this, honestly, you guys could use this. Like I said, it's not it's the back end of ChatGPT, and it's not as like smooth as ChatGPT, but it pretty much does the same thing and gets the job done. So whenever ChatGPT is down, see, I just gave y'all a gem. Ain't no other people out here that's making these reviews and telling you how to use ChatGPT. They ain't giving y'all the game like I'm giving y'all. So I definitely recommend y'all to stay subscribed, turn those noties on, because we just giving out digital gems and assets on how people can get ahead and whatnot. So, but yeah, you guys definitely want to use this platform, openai.com/playground, and let's see if they let me in. They probably ain't gonna let me back in. Nope, they ain't gonna let me back in. But exactly. See, I just literally told y'all, sometimes ChatGPT is down, so you literally want to go to these alternative websites and whatnot, and really just, you don't want to be a one-trick pony, right? You want to have multiple ways to get stuff done and be efficient. And like I said, ChatGPT and OpenAI are just one of the ways you can do those things. And if you guys want to learn how to get ahead and join a like-minded community of like-minded individuals, all growing and striving, learning about AI, not getting left behind, learning how to build digital assets for wealth and just financial freedom, you guys want to hit that description, join the New Wealth Society, man. We talking all things AI, financial literacy, and just really, it's a like-minded community of people that want to get ahead. And if you guys want more, longer, in-depth classes, make sure you guys sign up for the Bot Billionaire Academy. The Digital Gems and Asset Masterclass. We got a lot of gems in there. So you guys definitely want to take advantage of that and not get left behind. But we're going to end it, the video on that note. Appreciate you guys rocking with me for another review. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. What kind of videos you guys want to see moving forward. And it's going to be a wrap for this video. Appreciate y'all tuning in. And until the next AI review, we out. Stay positive, y'all. Peace.